All right, so now we're connected. We're going to go ahead and just mint our first NFT. So you can just go right here to your profile and either click create an item or create a store. Let's go ahead and create a store first. All right, and we have a store. We're going to go ahead and then create a brand new item. This is where we mint an NFT. Just throw in some tags, basically keywords that will help you get found on the website. And this is where you can set your NFT royalties. So anyone who buys your NFT and then resells it in the future, you're entitled to a percentage of those profits. Ad infinitum, forever. And we're going to go ahead and just upload this cute little chibi Mick Jagger. And you can choose if this is not safe for work content. You can attach unlockable content here as well. And then similar to eBay, you can do a fixed price or we can do this on an auction. I'm going to go ahead and just put this on auction with a starting bid at 100 USD. And it will automatically show you the conversion to Matic. By the way, Matic and Polygon are the same thing. Matic is just the coin for Polygon. And we can set an auction length of 30 days or whatever you like. You can have a supply. You know, you could have 100 of these, or you can just do one. I'm going to just go ahead and just set it for one. And here's the contract negotiation. So there you go, just like that. Any other NFT platform you go to, they're going to charge you insane Ethereum gas fees. On our site, there are no fees. And as you saw, I didn't add any money to that wallet. There's nothing in that wallet. And yet I was able to mint that NFT for free. We just saved you all that time, all that effort. We made it so easy for you. You're able to just go ahead, add MetaMask, and you've already minted your first NFT. Congratulations. Welcome to Nexus.Art, and good luck with the sale of your NFT.